Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Resident Evil Survival Unit game crashing, not working, keep stopping, not loading, lagging or other issues on Android phone. So the very first method is to restart your device once. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and click on restart. Now the restart process may differ from phone to phone. So you simply have to restart your phone once and after that check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info, then click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the game. Once done, try to open the game and check if it's working or not. If not, you have to clear the cache of the particular game. For that, click on storage and cache, then click on clear cache, and after that try to play the game and check if it's working or not. If not, you should also check if there is any internet connection fluctuating while you are playing the game. If there is any internet problem, then you are suggested to check it and repair it. If you are going to mobile data, then go for or change it to Wi-Fi or do vice versa, and after that check if the game is working properly or not. If not, you are suggested to check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, here you have to search for Resident Evil Survival Unit game. Check if any update is available. If yes, you have to update your game to the latest version and after that try to play the game. Next solution is to check if your phone needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings and after that go below. Here you have to click on system update and check if your phone needs any kind of OS update. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version and then try to play the game and check if it's working or not. If not, and you still face the same problem, you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on uninstall icon and then click on uninstall. So once you uninstall the game, wait for some time and again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, here you have to search for the game once again, and finally you have to click on install option and then try to launch the game once again and see if it's working or not. So by this way you can easily fix the game crashing, not working, keep stopping or other issues on Android phone. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.